Okay, students, now we will discuss about 2.4 feeding and digestion in amoeba. Take our book page number 18. Okay, this is a structure of amoeba. Okay, all of you see the diagram in your book. All of you see the diagram in your book page number 18, 2.10 diagram, structure of amoeba. Listen, the nucleus, the brown in color nucleus, then pseudopodia. What is mean by pseudopodia? Pseudopodia means leg, like a leg. The movement, the moving from one place to another place. That is a pseudopodia in amoeba. Then food particle. Then food vacuoles. The blue in color, food vacuole. Ingestion food, ingestion. Then digest the food materials. Then final stage, the digested waste materials in amoeba. Now I will explain feeding and digestion in amoeba. All of you see your book page number 18, feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Underline the word, students. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled. What is single-celled? Single-celled means present in only one cell. That is a single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded, dense nucleus and many small bubble-like vacuoles in the cytoplasm. Bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. Amoeba is a shapeless animal. Okay, so amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections. The finger-like projections called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means what? The movement organ of amoeba or false feet. Pseudo means false. Okay, podia means leg. So, false feet for movement and capture of food. Students, underline the word. Finger-like projection. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia. Underline the word pseudopodia or false feet for movement and capture of food. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organism. Underline the word. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. When it senses food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particles and engulf it. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Underline the word. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Next paragraph. Digestive juice. Page number 19. Digestive juices are secreted in the food vacuole. Underline the word. Digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. What are the main function of food vacuole? Digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed. The absorbed substances are used for, underline the word, the absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. Can you understand? Okay. Underline the word, students. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The digested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. Okay, the last paragraph, all of you listen. All of you see your book. The basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in animals. In a later chapter, you will learn about the transport of food absorbed by the intestine to the various parts of the body. Okay. That's all, students. Okay, that's all. This chapter, feeding and digestion in amoeba. All of you see the diagram. Okay, all of you see the diagram how amoeba digest the food. All of you see. Listen. How amoeba digest the food. How amoeba digest the food. Food zoodopodia. Okay. The zoodopodia capture the food. That process ingestion. Now the process ingestion. Then ingestion followed by digestion. The food materials are digestion. Digestion is followed by absorption. The digested food materials to absorb the nutrient substances. So this process is known as absorptions. Then assimilation. Absorption is followed by assimilations. Assimilation is last one. Egestion. Egestion means the unwanted, the undigested waste food materials to egestion, to eliminate. So egestion. How amoeba digest the food. Okay, all of you see the diagram. Okay, that's all. Okay, feeding and digestion in amoeba. Okay.